dinner, omelets.
Getting ready to go to your house, baby.
Getting ready to go to Grandpa's house in the morning. We had a whole bunch of painting done today. We had all that painted brown. That area there and this area there got painted brown. All the bathrooms got painted brown. The kids' bedroom got painted brown. There's those guys in there. So this one got painted brown. And this one, the laundry room, got painted green. Pretty nice. And here's the big thing. Grandpa like this. Dun 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 dun. That's our new heating cooling unit. Installed that today. It's super quiet. It's really nice. So it is now 74 degrees out here. But it can also be a cooling thing. This room is going to be the playroom. And then last but not least, our bathroom got really dark brown. Really dark. That came all that happened today.